Dear students, today we will be learning the poem Minnie and Winnie. The poem is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. This poem belongs to the lullaby genre. Lullaby means a gentle song that you sing to help a child to go to sleep. This is a picture of a shell. Let's first look at the pictures that fit some of the lyrics. That is, pink was the shell within, silver without. These are the lines about its origin. Now we sing a song. Everybody loves music. Minnie and Winnie. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. This is the lyrics of this poem. Now we are going to sing a song. Minnie and Winnie, a lullaby. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Sounds of the great sea wandered about. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Echo on echo dies to the moon. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Started a green linnet out of the craft. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Now, read the following meanings. Without, outside, dies to the moon. This line tells us that the sounds travel far away, right up to the moon, but they become faint as they travel. Shell, here it means a seashell. Craft, a small form. Aloft, up in the air. Echo, a sound that is heard again. Echo on, echo means that the sounds are heard again and again. Peeped. Peeped means looked quickly without making any noise. Started, moved, or flew away suddenly. Next, read the poem and find the rhyming words from the poem. Shell, well, without, about. Soon, moon. Shell, tell. Croft, aloft. Next one, from the poem, copy the following words. Words that begin with yes. Answer, sea, soon, stars, sun, slept, shell, sleep, silver, sounds, started. These words are starting from the letter yes. Next one, words that have the letter L. Slept, shell, sleep, little, ladies, well, silver, tell, aloft, etc. Third one is three pairs of opposites. What are they? See the poem. In, out, within, without, sleep, wake. Fourth one, four things you may see in the sky. The stars, moon, linnet, the sun. Next, find and copy me following from the poem. Two statements. Find out from the poem. And they slept well, the sun is aloft. Two questions. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Two commands. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. The next one is learn to say the following faster and faster. This is tongue twister. She shells on the seashore. Swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swam back again. Well, swim, swan. This is the practice one. You will practice at your home. Okay, thank you.